This is Samsung washing machine, fully automatic, model number SW50V3, and surprisingly we found this cloth in this very big cloth. I don't know when it has gone inside, and then so much of dust and hairpins also. And where is the other pin? That also we thrown it out, and because of this it's not working, completely stopped working. So really surprising. Without any mechanic we completed the repair. It's not a repair actually. We removed the things whatever inside gone in under this spinner. So this one is the main obstruction for this. This is very happy now. It's working. It's good. If we go to the mechanic, what he will say? Just keep here. We have to see. Then next day if we go, we will do the same thing, and we will charge at least minimum 2000 rupees, or if it is in Saudi, maybe he will charge more than 200 riyal. That is the thing what is happening with the mechanics. So don't go to the mechanic, and just try by yourself once, and if anything goes wrong, then you can go to the expert mechanic. Bye.